Hey guys, Alvin here. In this tutorial, we're gonna be discussing how you can add your store directly on your fan page. Alright, so we have here our awesome t-shirt fan page. Alright, and over here we have our T-store or your store website. Alright, now in order to add the store to your fan page, firstly you need an SSL. That means your site has a security certificate. If you don't have that, you can order one via your hosting, or you can ask them about it. All right. So without an SSL, you can't add your store as a page tab on Facebook. All right. Alright, if you're not sure, let me just show you what the store will look like. Alright, so when you go to your store, for example, tstore.kvsocial.com, it should have HTTPS here, as you can see on the address bar. If it doesn't have that, that means your site does not have any security certificate. Since we have a security certificate added on this website, we can proceed with adding the uh, the store to our fan page. Right? Just to proceed, we need to go to developers.facebook.com. It's easier to type in here. Now, please note that you need a Facebook account together with it as well. So, if you don't have Facebook, you need to sign up for a Facebook account, and so that you can have a developer's account as well on Facebook. All right, so we have here the developer site. Just click on the arrow for apps. Click on create new app. All right, create the display name for your app. Let's say it's gonna be awesome t-shirt. Alright, and your namespace needs to be important because it's something you will be using later on, once if ever you're gonna install the app on your fan page. So make sure it is unique and something you can distinguish, or you can remember. So you're just gonna put in here awesome tab. Now please note that this is only, everything should be lowercase and no special characters. And for our category, we're just gonna select apps for pages, and then click on create app. As you can see, I'm getting an error here that the name has already been used by another app. Let's just gonna use another name. Let's say awesome t-shirt tab. Okay. All right. So we just need to type in the image on the letters in the image here. So it's 9IWMLYX. Click on submit. Alright, let's wait for the app creation to proceed. Alright, so as you can see, the app has been created. Let's proceed and set up the settings for this app. So from this page, we need to just click on settings, and once you have settings, let's start configuring the contact email. Because please note that you will need a contact email in order to activate the app. All right. So for example, we're just gonna add in here support@kvsocial.com, or it's right, kvsocial.com. And for our next step is going to be creating a new platform. So click on add platform, click on app on Facebook, and this is where you can add your canvas URL and secure canvas URL. So our canvas URL is going to be our store, so that's going to be tstore.kvsocial.com. So make sure you copy the HTTP and HTTPS. So for our canvas URL, it only needs to be HTTP, no S, for our secure canvas URL, it needs to be HTTPS with the S, okay? And always make sure you have a backslash um, after the domain. So as you can see, it's http colon backslash backslash tstore.kvsocial.com backslash. So the same with secure canvas URL, https colon backslash backslash tstore.kvsocial.com backslash. Okay, once that is set up, click on add platform. This time click on page tab. Alright, so we have tab name, page tab URL, secure page tab URL, page tab edit URL. Alright, so the same thing with what we did earlier with our canvas URL. Just copy the same link, add that HTTP without the S to page tab URL and page tab edit URL. Okay, now for our secure page tab URL, we need the one with the S, or HTTPS. Alright, so we have HTTPS tstore.kvsocial.com for our secure page URL. And as for our tab name, this can be anything you want. You can include special characters here, but let's say for example, we're gonna put in here check out our store, and then with the exclamation point. So once you have set this up, click on save changes, and that's it. The changes has been saved. You have it here, and the next step would be activating your app. So click on status and review, and then for under awesome t-shirt, click on it's currently set to no. Make sure that it is set to yes so that it will be activated. Click on confirm. That's it. You have the green button here, the green icon right beside our app name. That means the app is now already active to use. Alright, so let's just go back to settings, because we will need to copy some of the settings there. Alright, so we have, you can set up, you can use a special, we have a special link that will simplify the process of installing the app for you. Let me just show you the link real quick here. Alright, so we have the link here as you can see on the screen. Let me just make it a lot clearer. Let me just size up the font a little bit so it will be a lot clearer on the video. Alright, so as you can see, this is the link. That's http facebook.com/dialog/page tab app ID and =, and this is where you type in your app ID. So you need to erase your app ID here from this link and type in the app ID of your app. So in our case, it's going to be 532-3500-1355-7919. Okay, just copy that one, replace your app ID. Alright, and the next step, as you can see this, we have https apps.facebook.com/your app name. Your app name is your namespace, not your display name. Alright, again, it's gonna be your namespace. So our namespace for our app is awesome t-shirt tab. Just copy that one and replace your app name. Okay, and make sure that there are it is correct. So as you can see, earlier we had a quote. Make sure you if that there shouldn't be any quote on the last part, just a backslash. So that's gonna be facebook.com/dialog/page tab app ID, then your app ID, and sign, next https apps.facebook.com/the namespace of your app. So once it's ready, just copy that one add a new tab on your browser, paste the link, and press enter. All right. So as you can see, it's asking where do we want the app to be installed at. So just click on choose Facebook pages, and we're just gonna select our test page here. Where is that? Here we go. Awesome t-shirts. All right. So once it's selected, click on add page tab. Alright, so as you can see, we are still on Facebook and we are able to see the store. So let's just, as a test, we're just gonna make sure that we have the tab correctly set up on our timeline. So let's just go back to Facebook and let's go to Awesome T-shirts. Alright, this is our fan page, and as you can see, as earlier, you don't see the the link to the store here. So under more, click on the arrow, click on manage tabs, and check out our store is there. You just need to click and drag to the very top, or to, if you want it to be to be after photos. But for me, I would prefer to be the store to be uh, just after about. Click on save. That's it. So as you can see, we have timeline, about, check our store, photos, and more. So once you click on check our store, you should be able to see the store or the website directly on Facebook. That's it. That's how easily you can add uh, your your website directly on your fan page.